Now is the Benro BV4H video head review part 2. In the first section of the review and open box, some friends said that I haven't zoomed in enough, so they couldn't see what I was talking about. So I decided to have some details review this time, as well as some improvements to show you. First, here's the function of the adjustments. This is the tilt adjustment, 0 to 3, 4 steps. This is the pan adjustment, also 0 to 3, 4 steps. What I'm feeling is that setting at 1 of both sides is good enough for normal pan and tilt. This is the counterbalance adjustment. I'll show you later on how to adjust it and how to use properly. The pan handle can be mounted on right hand side, or if you are left-handed, you can mount it on left hand side. It's the same. And there's two additional 3/8 holes that you can mount, like monitor or audio recorder, things like that. There are two extra screws stored here. You can use if you lose the one on the mounting plate. I used to have that video head mount on the Manfrotto 190L, but I decided to move it to the older Manfrotto 190 because actually this 190L has the feature that I can extend and put it as a horizontal bar like this. So it's better to use a ball head instead, will be more useful on this tripod. I do experience a couple of the issues when using this quick release plate. I will show you why. First is that I shoot both video and photo, so I used camera a lot, but on other tripods, I usually mount that on a Manfrotto style quick release plate. But the problem mounting this quick release plate on this Benro plate is that the quick release plate has some screws and locking mechanism that is lower than the platform. So I'm not able to mount it directly on that. The second problem is that I have this wrist belt as well as this shoulder belt hook. But when I mount my camera on the plate, it's actually blocking me to insert that properly into the platform. See here? Actually, it's not high enough. So to fix these two problems, I use my 3D printer print this adapter piece, which is 5 cm by 5 cm, thickness is 6 mm. Sit between the Benro quick plate and the normal Manfrotto RC quick release platform. Something like that. And use this normal machine screw, 1/4 inch, with the very bottom few millimeters filed out so that I can put it in the slot here. So align this properly before tie down the nut. pretty tight. So I can keep this quick release plate at place. If I want to move the camera between video tripod and the normal tripod. And this is how it's used when it's on the head. Tight. And then I can place it on like normal camera. And this is how to adjust the counterbalance. So with a lighter camera like this wide angle lens, first put the tension to 0, lose it, and you can see the camera that's too much of counterbalance. So for this smaller one, probably I can set it to 1. That's 0 without any balance. Two, pretty much it can stand. Now it's front heavy, so I need to actually move the camera a little bit back. Loose this. So probably the best setting is 1.5, but unfortunately it's not able to balance that. You just give a little bit better balance, set to 2. No need to use too much force to turn it in any angle. Now put back to 1 as the tension, and then I can tilt it nicely. Now to use my long zoom lens, 80 to 200 millimeters, I need this support adapter. So my camera first sits on the adapter. And then the adapter sits on the video head. Look like this. So I need to rebalance the counterbalance to 3 with this heavier gear. And suppose it can stop in any position with the counterbalance. So that's how it should work. Now it's totally loosed, not locked. It can stop in any angle. That's how it works.